Hi.
This brand of urban pest has a certain allure.
Oh, you mean like peeping toms?
What are we looking at, please?
First-rate double H.
Mid-cuddle yuppie couple.
Bear butt buffet over here. 2 chicks, 2 Charlies.
Black bra. I repeat, we have a black bra situation over here.
You guys see that lady peeper up there?
A woman? On the roof?
Annette Fulvish. I teach voyeur theory at the university.
You won't even know I'm here.
I already know you're here.
Care for a cup of coffee? It's fair trade.
We can figure out her weaknesses, and then we can destroy her.
It's right up there on those roofs, and it's ours for the taking. A new way of looking at looking.
You never make contact, Neil. And you never, ever fall for a peep.
Cold Streak, huh?
No, not Cold Streak.
Are you trying to peep me, Steve?
Me?
Here we go.
Body, tight.
Jackpot.
Body get inside, body get inside, body get inside, body get inside.